Fire escape engineers inspector summary video. We're here in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. What we have here is a fire escape that's been inspected. This is the view that's going to be talking only about the change of the staircases from there and the cantilever, what needs to be done to satisfy. First of all, it looks like the intention is to remove this entire roof line here because it does have a snow load requirement, so most likely they will have to verify through structural engineer or verification process that this thing is able to take a snow load. And right now, just from the evidence that I have, it's all original hardware, all rivets, and there's evidence of rust in every connection. So a lot of times the refurbishment cost of this is more than just taking it down, and there's no need for this. We are told that this door is going to close. So by this door closing, then what we're going to do here to avoid and eliminate this pulley system here, which is not going to be used on the change, that floor right there is going to go over here. Very simple. We're going to eliminate the cabling. It's gone. Everything's going to be removed during the process. And these two staircases and that platform will easily move over to this side, and you're going to be able to use all the components, and nothing new has to be built. So it's going to go from here to there and then tie back up there. Easily done. Now with this gone and this cantilever and the cabling, this is an antiquated system when it comes to weight boxes on the nose. They're horrible. You can't balance these things, you can't lock these things up. They're a problem, and you can't have cars down here. But the fix is easy. What we're going to do is we're going to take this cantilever and we're going to modify it so that from here, what we're going to do is we're going to come down 5 to 10 steps and put a pivot over here somewhere. And I'm going to be 12 to 14 feet off the ground here. And then this cantilever is going to have an extender on the back so that the weight box is down here. They're telling me nothing's going on with these two areas. So, and then when it comes down, it's going to come down against the wall. So when it comes down from there, it's going to hit a platform, go towards the wall, and then with that pivot, it's going to come down and hit the ground somewhere mid to 3/4 of this, based on what I see here. So that's the most important part. That barrel is not a problem right now. It can go away or it can stay, but the pivot is going to be right there. And then we're going to be using the same width stairs. I don't know if this is a false sidewalk or not, but that staircase is going to come down and land here when you release it from above. I will have a release arm on this thing, and that release arm will stop people from breaking into the building. Only from above, when you release it at this level right here, will this thing, I'm sorry, when you come down to the pivot, there's going to be a release arm right here, but once you release it, it'll drop 2 to 3 feet per second, hit the ground and stay down. Okay? So, recapping. That's moving over to the other side, no problem. That's all getting removed. This whole piece is either getting refurbished to verify that it will take a snow load, or remove it 100%. It can stay if you wanted to, but you have to refurbish it, and this will take a new pivot to here. Can't leave it down to the ground. Weight box, release. The entire fire escape I'm going to show now is a 25 to 35-year-old fire escape. It's in fair to good condition. There is some modifications that we have to do, some refurbishments we have to do to avoid the load test, and that'll be on the next video. Any questions? Fire escape engineers, inspector summary video. This is Engineer Meneses here. Any questions? 866-649-0333. 866-649-0333.